Good evening, everyone. Today we're going to talk about, closing cost. What is closing cost? Closing cost is the things that, some of the things that you can shop for and some of the things that, that you should be prepared for. You got to have some skin in the game when you're out looking to, get yourself in shape to buy a house. And so, regardless if looking for down payment assistance, you really do have to have, some money saved up, and have that mindset, of buying a home. And so, in order to do that, there's calculators out there that would, give you a better breakdown. But when you do get into the point of buying a home, this all will be on your loan estimate, because that has to go out, within a certain amount of time, normally 3 days, for you to review it, sign it, and give you a better understanding. And so, what a breakdown of that is, so if you're looking at, the conforming FHA loan, which is $472,072, you're looking at about an estimated closing cost of $15,437. Even if you did put down 20% of that home, you're still going to be, having those closing costs. And, what is the breakdown of those closing costs on a 30-year term? And so if you play with the calculator here, you can see, even if you put down, 53%, you're going to have to pay $13,468 in closing costs. If you went up to all the way to 98%, you're still going to have to pay $11,380 in closing costs. And so, it's just not something that, you can just get into a home without putting anything down. And so, you do definitely got to have, some money saved up and being prepared for those closing costs. With an interest rate of 6.2%, that's going to also calculate, your property taxes, if you had homeowners insurance, the origination fees. And so normally the closing cost is anywhere between 2 to 5% of what you're purchasing your house for. But, to be on the moderate side, I would, look at 3% to, 4%. And so, looking at the discount points, other settlement services, you're going to have to pay for appraisal fee, a credit report fee, FLUS certification, the tax services, the title services, owner title insurance, there's government recording fees, there's transfer tax, there's survey, there's post inspections. And so, this is just some of the things that you will be prepared for when you're buying a house. And so remember, if you're doing an FHA loan, you'll have to put down 3%. If you're doing a conventional loan, you'll put down 3.5%, in addition to having to pay the closing cost. And this is a nice calculator here. It's free. It gives you a breakdown of, what the total estimated closing costs and adjustments of the origination charges, basically, charges and other services for the settlement service charge, as well as your adjusted origination charges here. And so, that's what I wanted to, make sure that, we're out here, doing the best practices here. If you have any questions or are looking to, purchase a home, feel free to give us a call at 559-337-5990. I'm a mortgage loan officer here in the Fresno area. My NLMS ID is 1370676. You can also visit us online at mkgenterprisescorp.com.